In this video, I will show you how you can install Word on your MacBook or your Mac or your iMac or anything that is running on Mac OS. So to install Word, it is very easy. It is a very easy process. Everything is very easy on Mac. You just have to open up your Safari from here. You can just open your Safari like that. Then you can go to google.com. And what you're gonna do next is just search for Word at Mac and download like that and click enter. You will be faced with two options right here. There will be from the Apple App Store and one from the Microsoft. You can just click on this and this will open up your App Store. Should be like this, and you can just click download. Just click download right there, and the size is 1.2 gigabytes. So make sure you have fast Wi-Fi or fast internet connection to download this fast. And after you have downloaded this, you can just open it instantly without anything. So after you have installed this, you can click on command and space like that to open up the spotlight search, and then just search the word and click enter, and it will open up the Word. Because I have already opened up my Word, the Word is already open right here. But if you want to make it more easier, you can just do this. If you need Word every time, you can do this, just like this. Then find your Word, search your Word right here, and you can drag this onto your dock. So whenever you need Word, you can just click this without have to searching for Word, and then you can just open up your file or make a new document, do whatever you want. And this is how you can install Word on your Mac. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.